Assalamualaikum, Namaste and Vanakkam. Welcome back to my channel, Sameera Sharif. Alright guys, so as you all have already seen the title, finally after one whole year, we are going to use our pluck cards, which are the Never Have I Ever pluck cards. Alright, so now you guys have seen Never Have I Ever part 1, part 2. If you haven't seen that already, I will link it in the I bar and also in the description. Go and check it out. And also, today's Never Have I Ever is going to be different because today we are doing Never Have I Ever Shooting Edition.
What edition?
Shooting edition.
What is that?
Oh.
Like your shooting experience, your shooting life, your professional, your career. Because
Okay.
all of us are actors. All three of us are actors. Now, when I say we are doing a shooting edition, Syed Anwar, I would urge you to remove the producer from your head, put the producer aside, and only the actor will talk.
I am no more a producer, so chill.
No,
Okay.
you have been a producer. You will be producing in future. So, producer is not going to talk.
Okay.
The actor Syed Anwar.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. You want the best in me to come out, huh?
Yeah. Okay. So we have couple of questions, very simple questions, but before we start, you need to promise that you'll be very true and loyal.
We have been true in
You cannot talk. You were the one who cheated in the first Never Have I Ever.
agreeing to that. In the second one is the true of.
Model better.
If you finish your fight, then I will talk.
शपथ लेता हूं मैं कि जो भी मैं कहूंगा सच के सिवा सच ही कहूंगा.
सच के सिवा.
Shooting edition, we don't have 2.0, so you can't correct your mistakes in 2.0, Syed Anwar.
Okay, done. Ready.
Never have I ever forgotten my costume for shoots.
Okay.
Proud of you.
Never ask.
She's a liar.
Hey, hello.
I
never forgot any.
One second.
One second. Let me repeat the question. Never have I ever forgotten a costume for a shoot, which means I forgot to take the costume to the shoot. If it is the direction department's mistake, they did not tell me that they want to do that scene, that is a different case. The costumes which are told to me, they'll tell कि इतने scenes हम लोग करने वाले हैं, उसमें से I never forgot any costume to the shoot. After going there, they
एक
will
दो
need.
बार तो यहाँ से हम लोग कोरियर कर रहे थे चेन्नई को.
That is because उन लोग का बाद में बोले वो होना.
Whatever it is.
I never.
Cheating. She's cheating. Started cheating. Cheating. Whatever it is.
It happens.
No, they
Yeah.
say or they don't say you have to, as an actor, you have to always carry your costumes, the continuities and be careful about it.
Previous schedules, costumes.
Yes, she lost it.
Okay,
Cheating.
Yeah, I have.
Fine, I'll also keep. I have them, but I have it. But just to satisfy you. Okay, up.
I have.
Normal. Several times.
Several times.
Not several times, but almost all.
happens.
Yeah, in so many years, maybe 5-6 times.
Great. In 30 years, 5-6
30
times.
years, 5-6 times. Rare.
Okay, great.
Okay. Never have I ever hated the director.
I have. Yes.
I have.
I
Never.
have.
Never.
You never?
I always loved all my directors, and I've been a pet of all my directors.
No. I'll share my experience, okay? I did a film. Nobody knows about it. It's a secret. That was a one-day film in Tamil Nadu. That, those people came and approached me and told me that, I'm the lead. They wanted me to, play the hero. You were also there in Chennai. So I went to the shoot. So I started in the morning. They picked me up 6 o'clock in the morning. And there's an area called Saligramam in Chennai. They picked me up 6 o'clock because I used to reside there. And it was around 11 o'clock. They were still picking up other people in the same car. The director was there, the makeup man was there, the cameraman was there. And costumer was there.
In one car.
Everybody. Then we went to the shooting location, and there was nobody in the shooting location. I called my assistant. I said, "Did we come to the right place?" He said, "Yeah, this is the shooting location." I said, okay, but where is the light and all? No, this is a very different film. There is no light, there is no equipment. Then how are they going to shoot? At least they have a camera. Then he told me on mobile phone.
I remember.
So yeah, that day I was almost in love with the director too much because he was coming and doing overaction for the mobile phone. He was like, sir, நீங்க இப்படி வந்தீங்கன்னா எவ்வளவு சீரியஸா அந்த ஷாட் நம்ம வந்து அப்படியே ட்ராலி மாதிரி வரும். ட்ராலி எங்கடா இருக்கு? ட்ராலி எங்கடா? So that was my experience. I hated him to the core. I have.
Yeah, in my initial days, I was working for a serial, and there was a lot of misunderstanding unknowingly between the director, production house, and me. And they were like showing too much of torture on the location. Like literally, they were insulting me in the location. So those days itself, I had to go on my own car, carry my own food, and everything, everything from my side. And still, I sincerely, as an actor, I went, I finished my shoot and came. But I still remember the person. I hated him for doing that.
No.
So I hated him.
Never have I ever fought with my co-artist.
Fought in the sense that what meanings it will come from?
Fought, you had a discussion, you had a quarrel, you had a fight.
Fight, yeah. I have.
I have.
I have so many. Not one, two.
Not so many, one in all these years. Unfortunately, it was on the sets of Mansu Mamta. And no more details, no more names of the artists and all, because I don't want to give any free publicity for that stupid dash. So yes, I had a fight and I hate her and everything about her. So let's not talk about it. Unfortunately, yes, I have.
I too have.
I don't have anybody. I never
Super.
fought with any actor.
Okay, coming to the fight or thing.
Huh.
Never have I ever hated a co-actor and never spoke to him or her, but still had nice chemistry scenes being shot.
Never.
We never spoke to the co-actor, but still we had good scenes. You can't say never. Lagawa, I have.
I have.
I have.
Yeah. It's a Samira Sharif only.
कभी नहीं. अच्छा अपन जब लड़ते थे. Okay, I have. Of course, we also fought in the shooting locations and we did nice romantic scenes. But I would not consider that as a fight wala fight. But yes, in my initial days, I hated my co-actor, the lead actor, and the serial was a super hit, but we never spoke to each other. So yeah, I have.
No, that's the beauty of this job, you know. You don't like people around you, but you will have to keep smiling and
working,
still work with them for years together.
Yeah.
Especially in television. In cinema, it will be over in 30 to 60 days. But television, it will keep on going for years together. So you don't like so many people, but still you'll have to stand there, act as a person there, and come out of it. So it's very challenging for us.
Never have I ever hated the manager.
I have.
All of us.
So many.
Seriously, me too. So many.
I don't think many, but yeah, especially when they give us some dates and उसमें free dates निकाल के when we give it to someone else, and that time they'll say, अरे that Madhi, we have
let
taken
me
that
tell you,
date,"
manager-
and when they
manager
lie,
is
no,
the- let me
that
tell you-
time I hate.
Let me tell you guys one thing. The manager is the one who's supposed to coordinate with the artist and the production team or the creative team, who will call them and inform them about the dates, shooting dates, and inform the same to the production team. So he is the one, what do you say? Scapegoat.
He's the mediator of everything.
Yeah, so he'll get left and right, nobody will love him.
But there are few managers who
They are
literally
really-
lie a lot.
Yeah,
They
not-
manipulate.
some are good, but some like, oh my god, they mess up the
yeah.
Their job is like that. They're in that profession, nobody can be good.
No, there are several good managers also. There are so many managers I like.
Okay.
Good, yeah, that's what.
Never have I ever rolled a dialogue and continued with the same. Matlab, you rolled a dialogue and that went to telecast also.
So many times. So many times.
Many times in my initial days, so all my dialogues were rolled.
Yeah, for
Both
me
the
also,
languages.
because I did so much of mythology and so much of Sanskrit language. I used to roll my lines and all, but they managed in the dubbing.
Yeah, that's why that they'll manage in the dubbing. So I was also okay with it. Yes, with every serial, every co-star, I have done that. They'll come and ask me, how did you tell such a big dialogue? I said, I didn't tell. But your lips were shaking. I said, that's the magic.
But over a period of time, all of us learned the language.
Obviously, I used to tell 3 or 4 pages dialogues without prompting.
Never have I ever hated the story or the character that I was doing.
Let me think. Did I... Story I hated, but not the character. Yeah, I have. I have hated the story, but not the characters I played.
No, I don't think.
Never.
Matlab, might not have liked it in the initial times, but the moment I started playing the character, I started liking it.
Okay.
So, never. Never have I ever worked for a particular project just for money in spite of having no interest in the project.
I have worked just for money. I've acted in several projects, but I never got paid for any of the projects. It's a very wrong assumption people have that every actor get paid, except for one project. Other projects I've never got paid. That project also, the reason I was going through some tough times in my life. So for the sake of money, I have accepted it. But the story was brilliant, the character was brilliant, and the team was brilliant. So I loved it.
Yeah, I have like so many times accepted. Maybe I didn't like the character or the team or something, but the pay pack was so heavy. So I said, okay, chalo, let's do it.
Yeah, I also, like I told in the previous one, initially I did not like, but just because I had monthly commitments and all, I had to accept. But then later, as I started working, I started liking the character and the project as well.
It happens.
Never have I ever thought if that particular scene was given to me, I would have performed better than the actor who's performing.
Yeah, I have.
I have
Several scenes. Every actor will have this. Every actor will have this. Actors are never satisfied.
I wish I would have done this character. I would have done like that. I would have done this thing. It happens.
Me too, several times.
So many fools are stars.
In fact, every single project, every single day, I would get that feeling. That's a scene she's spoiling, or that's a scene he's spoiling.
Every actor will have that.
Nice one. Never have I ever criticized my own family member's performance.
I have. Yes.
I have.
आप बोलो पहले.
Yeah, I have sometimes, like so many times with Anwar. Mostly with Anwar. Like.
आप बोलो.
Always Anwar.
Like we used it is like he's very kiddish type, like he's just born in this industry now, he's just putting his first step, so it is like I must tell him like Anwar, don't do this, Anwar, don't do that. He felt he's doing it very correct, but when you see audience point of view, I felt it's wrong, so I used to tell him like, Anwar, don't do this, this is wrong, you correct your makeup, correct your looks, correct your color, what you wear and all these things. I did it with him always.
आप बोलो अम्मा, आपको एक लगा इतने दोनों अच्छे एक्टर्स रख के भी.
I have criticized you. I have criticized you several times openly.
He criticized me also. Yes.
So this reflects every actor criticize the other actor. So that is what is happening here. But everybody is best at their own places. See, we are working in television mostly. Now she's done several movies. The luxury in movies we don't have in television. You don't get to practice your dialogues. You don't get to understand your characters. You don't get to meet your co-stars. Everything is a surprise package. Every day you play 5 to 10 scenes. Every scene belongs to some other part of the story. It is not in the flow, so that you cannot maintain the character, the performance of the character. So today if you are crying, the next scene you are celebrating somebody's birthday, and the other scene you are fighting with somebody, and the immediate next scene somebody is dead. These kind of emotional changes, in one day, in few hours you need to show. So for a television actor it becomes difficult, so that he cannot be perfect all the times. Otherwise, if given luxury, if given enough time, and then you see, I can just bring 4 or 5 Oscar awards just like that. Yeah, next.
Never have I ever laughed at my first project. मतलब looking at my first project. Seriously?
Never. I'm very proud of my first project.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
I am also definitely proud of my work,
Yeah.
but the
No,
way
I
I
didn't
look,
laugh.
the way I perform, the way my makeup was, I mean, it was all black in color. The Adapilla, and mainly the first scene where we jump. I mean, three sisters. It's a dream sequence. Three sisters commit suicide, and we jump from a big building. So we shot that in green mat, and that scene is so hilarious and funny that we will be doing like this. You should see that scene. It is so hilarious and funny that every time I watch, I will end up laughing at myself at the serial and the making. Mainly the first schedule ke starting episodes.
I've never, because I felt for a newcomer, for the first project, whatever I did was the best and it looked really awesome.
I had no time to see my first. Now only I'm watching my old movies on and off when somebody sends me the clippings and all, and I feel really, such a great work I did and all, and I laughed at myself.
But I laughed at Anwar Jan's first project, Kanivippu. It's very funny.
Funny, but trust me, he's done a good job. Being a newcomer, he's done a good job.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Next question. Never have I ever regretted doing a particular project. Matlab, you regretted thinking that is a black mark in my career list. If I wouldn't have done that project, I would have been somewhere else.
Somewhere else type
never.
here, but yeah, never.
Never.
Maybe every project that we did, even if it was a bad or a good, it fetches another project. So
Yes.
Never.
Never.
Never have I ever prayed that the shoot should get cancelled.
I have.
I
See,
have so many
yeah.
times, yeah.
Mostly, when we are shooting in television, as I said, we shoot for longer hours, and certain times, due to some of the artists' dates unavailability, we have to shoot for longer hours. After 9 o'clock also, we'll shoot around 2 o'clock, till midnight 2 o'clock. And the next day morning, manager comes up and says, sir, you have to be ready by 7 in the morning. I said, boss, you're not even sending me home. Then I'll go home. Before going to the bed, I'll think, I wish tomorrow morning the shoot get cancelled so I can sleep for longer hours.
Yeah, I see. Matlab, always I felt it, and all my directors, my co-artists and the producers are watching, they know how childish I am. I'm just a kid in the set, bell mare to school mein, you run home type, so I keep waiting, kab pack up hota, kab cancel bolte, kab pack up hota, kab cancel. I rarely had time for myself, so I always waited to listen ki, shooting cancel aindi. That was my favorite word to listen.
Yeah, so I also have prayed several times, especially during the rainy season. Every single day I would pray, "Aaj full barish hona, shooting cancel ho jana." Mainly, sometimes after going to sets, I would feel so lazy, and I would look at the clouds. I was like, "Allah, please, aaj barish kar do, shooting cancel ho jana." This happened even when I was working for my own family's production house. I would pray.
Samira?
Sometimes it is. Mainly in Chennai, if it is too sunny and very annoying, that times you feel like आज बारिश हो गया तो अच्छा रहता.
For an actor, it is the most pathetic part talking about this thing. It's funny today we are talking about it, but when you don't have work, we regret about those days.
Yeah, true.
When you don't have work daily, you should. I wish I should have worked that day also. I shouldn't have wished for the cancellation of the shoot.
Yes.
These thoughts run around in an actor's mind.
Yes.
So, as she said, the child in an actor should always be alive, and the devil in the actor should also be alive. Like I said, the innocence in the actor should also be alive.
अच्छा है. I am devil kate, he is innocent kate, she is child kate.
True kate.
Next, moving on. Never have I ever lied of not keeping well to skip a shoot.
Never. So
in a very toughest times also, when I had there was this viral fever, chikungunya. Even during that period also, I worked for 2-3 shoots in a day continuously. So I never lied. In spite of being unwell, I would go and shoot.
Yeah, the same with me. I also had an, you remember, right?
Yeah, during
A very tough
Chennai
time in
days.
Chennai shooting. But I came back to the location from the hospital directly and everybody was surprised. So, no, never.
Yeah.
I never. I even came out of the surgery room, stayed in the hospital for 2 days. Third day, with the stitches on my stomach, I went to the shoot. I completed my shoot and came back home.
Everybody asks us on the social media what is the best requirement to be an actor or an artist. This is the best requirement. Commitment towards your work. Once you commit, if you're being there, if you're working there, give your 100%. If you're not doing it, then walk out.
Yeah, we pray for it to get cancelled, but we give our 100%.
Yes. And you know, Anwar, the crafts what we have in as an artist, like in shooting, how many crafts we have?
24 crafts, yeah.
24 crafts. Anybody can be replaced. Like cameraman can say I'm not well, he can't come. The director can be changed.
beautiful.
Technicians can be changed, but not an artist face. Artist, he has to come and stand there. He has to show his face and work. So all that is the importance of an actor. So we have to really be present there always.
Never have I ever walked out of a project in the middle.
I have.
I have.
Never. Yeah. I have. Everybody knows what project it is.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we don't have to talk about it.
Yeah, I never. I would have rather requested them saying that, you know, finish my work, I don't want to do, don't want to continue, but I never walked out.
The reason we walked out is because after requesting also it didn't happen. So we had to take a call and say, hi, thank you. You guys be happy. It is for their good, not for our good. For their good, we walked out.
That's what happens, the difference between seniors and juniors.
Yeah, I had to walk out because he was walking out.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't want to walk out anyway.
Yeah.
At that time though, but still.
Yeah.
Okay. Last one. Never have I ever envied co-artists for his or her costumes, jewelry and stuff.
Never.
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 Everybody is best in their own ways. So,
Yeah.
never.
And I believe I am best in my own way.
Huh.
I always loved all my costumes, all my looks, all my jewelry. In spite of it being the most de-glamorous character also, I loved how I looked in the project than looking at the one who was very well dressed in the project.
I know she's self-confidence, like over self-confidence. I appreciate it.
She's not self-confident, she's selfish.
That's not selfish. That's not the meaning of selfish. I'm not selfish.
Yeah.
I'm selfless. I give my costumes and jewelry to all my co-artists. I'm very selfless.
So that she can buy new and they don't look fashionable again.
That's mean. No, I don't do that. Anyway, with this, we come to an end to the Never Have I Ever shooting edition.
And one thing before going, because it is a shooting edition, I want you guys to understand, please have some respect towards the artist you know. Please respect the celebrity you see on the internet, because they are trying to be happy, because that is their job, that is how you accept them. But due to this pandemic, you know, everybody is going through their own struggles. It's not this is one of the most affected industries, cinema or television. Big producers or big actors are also, you know, having a second thought of doing something else. So whenever you come across an actor or a producer or a director, you know, show some respect and be sweet and nice.
Show some love.
Yeah, show some love towards them and be sweet. If not, at least don't be rude towards them. Don't talk bad about them. Don't write bad comments, because you don't know who's going through what.
Yeah, as Anwar has said everything, yes, show some respect towards them, because this is the only industry where we work more hours, we work more harder than anybody else. Everybody has timings, like, you know, you work for 8 hours, 9 hours. We don't have time, we work endlessly. So it's like, you know, just try to recognize our hard work, and whoever it is, like, you know, just like that, don't blame them for not looking good or about their character, about the project or anything. If you don't like it, just like leave it. You just say you don't like it, but don't write bad comments or tell anything to them. Just try to respect them, especially the women actors there. Show love to them.
Thank you so much for being featured in my channel and playing the Never Have I Ever shooting edition.
Welcome.
And please let us know what else, what editions more you guys would want to watch. I would love to film that for you guys. And for this video especially, I did not have any kind of creepy questions.
Thank you.
Seriously, when she said it's never have I ever, Amma, Samira, I don't know what all she'll ask. Did you pee in the bed? Did you throw the phone in the washroom?
The only reason I don't have any creepy questions in this particular video is because there are so many other co-artists of ours, so many technicians of ours who are watching the video, and I didn't wanted them to know all my secrets. So no creepy questions in this video. But yeah, in the future editions we will surely have nice, fun, creepy questions, cheesy questions as well.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Cheesy questions means he'll be caught. All his secrets will come out.
There's no secret.
Okay, so yeah, with this happy note, we will end this video right here. And as I said, don't forget to mention in the comment section down below what are the other videos that you guys would want to watch in future and the other challenge videos of all three of us. Please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, hit the bell icon, and also share this video to your family and friends. And also, not to forget to subscribe to Shanur Sana, Frolic Tabassum, Samira Sharif Vlogs Telugu, Samira Sharif Vlogs Tamil, so that you guys can get entertained and you guys get maximum content from our family. So yeah, we'll end this video right here and see you guys soon in my next video. Until I'll see you next. Lots of love!